Hadoop core components. Hadoop supports the processing of large data sets in distributed computing. Hadoop consists of Hadoop Distributed File System, HDFS, and MapReduce, and a number of related projects such as Apache Pig, Hive, HBase, and Zookeeper, etc. MapReduce and Hadoop Distributed File System are the main component of the Hadoop. These two are the main core component of the Hadoop. HDFS is for storage, its file sharing and data protection across physical servers. MapReduce is for the processing part. Now, what are the core components of Hadoop 2.x? In 2.x, we have HDFS. Here in HDFS, HDFS is for storage, and here in HDFS, we have components like name node, data node, and secondary name node. Here when name node tells, you can't get any data node. Our name node acts as a master, so that's why name node you have to put a better machine. Like it has to be a Ferrari or BMW of cars. Whereas your data node can be a normal taxi that flies on the road. So even if one taxi goes off, there is another taxi available. But if one Ferrari goes off, you cannot manage to have another one easily. So it is very important that the name node is protected, and in order to protect, there is something called secondary name node. Similarly, for the processing part in Hadoop 2.x, yarn existing. In Hadoop 1.x, there is MapReduce instead of yarn. In yarn, there are two components. One is resource manager and another one is node manager. Here name node and the resource manager are the masters. Hadoop structure is master-slave structure. Here name node and resource manager are the masters. Further we will see in detail how it works. Now what is a Hadoop cluster? A Hadoop cluster is a special type of computational cluster designed for storing and analyzing huge amount of data of unstructured data in a distributed computing environment. You can start with one machine, run all the daemons on one machine, and then move to 2 machines, 5 machines, and 20 machines, or 2000 machines. You can go on and go on. When usually you start with 5 machines, you associate one machine to be master machine, primary machine, where you run your name node daemon, that is the master daemon. Right? A real-time example of the cluster, it's Yahoo's cluster. Here is a picture of Yahoo's cluster. They have more than 10,000 machines running Hadoop and nearby 1 petabyte of users' data. And largest cluster under the management known as at Facebook with 20 petabyte of data and 2000 nodes they are running. So that's all about Hadoop component and Hadoop cluster.